I never imagined that I could open up the door to my garage one day and have two cars with a sticker price of around $450,000. Right here you have an Audi R8. This car, a lot of fun. It was my first quote unquote, I guess, starter exotic car is what the sales guy said to me. Got a V10, very fast. And I've always been a car person. Before this, I had a Cadillac CTS-V. That was a fast car as well. But this took it to a whole new level just in terms of, the car itself, the handling, the power. So obviously you have the convertible here. And next to it, you have a Lamborghini Huracan. This car, I fell in love with the color combination. The rims are absolutely amazing. It's kind of like a cockpit in here. You can see, got the name right in the seats, nice stitching. So, I still have the temporary registration on it. I got this thing pretty much, 4 days ago now, 5 days ago. So anyway, I'm just, again, I never imagined that this was possible for myself. I grew up on the poor side, I guess you can say. Never really imagined my life would amount to anything, career-wise. So, but all I can say to anybody who's serious about, these are just things that I like. Obviously, you may not like cars, or maybe you don't, care about them. I totally get that. That's fine. So whatever it is that you consider success, right? Whatever goals you set out for yourself, those are the things that you should be going for yourself. So all I can say is that it's possible, right? You just have to be willing to work for it, put the time and effort into it. This is one of the things that I look at for myself for success. There's other things obviously that I strive to do and be in life beyond just this, but all I can say is just it's possible. It's just up to you to put the work in so you can achieve whatever it is. The things that I do, the things that I've done in my career to get to this point is I've jumped into the lead generation business. The lead generation business is the most scalable business that I've ever been a part of. That business specifically, it allows me to be a one-person company. It allows me to, generate 7 figures a year completely on autopilot. All right, completely on autopilot. And what I mean by that is the business is 100% automated. So I put ads on Facebook. People see the ad, they click on it, they go to my website, they fill out the form, and then once they fill out the form, I sell that lead. I sell it in real time, and I also sell it as an aged lead, and plus I also monetize them through email marketing, SMS marketing. So it's completely automated. So right now, today, as I'm doing this, and every time I wake up in the morning, I have leads coming in. Every time a lead comes in, I know that's so much in revenue, so much in profit. It's like clockwork. In order to grow it, I just spend more money and obviously find other ways to monetize leads and get more buyers, stuff like that. So it's an amazing business. I also have done other businesses that I teach people how to do. But at the end of the day, to think that this isn't possible, again, I grew up on welfare. I grew up government milk and cheese, anything you can think of, and water being turned off, electricity being turned off. Both my parents passed away, before I even finished college. And the fact I even went to college was only because of a family friend ended up paying for it. So, I just took the advantages that were given to me, the little advantages I've had, and I just ran with it and I turned it into something. And that's it. And as long as you're willing to do that, you can easily be successful yourself. It's just, again, it comes down to how badly you want it. So you guys have a good day.